Hi, welcome back to FBTV Entertainment. I'm Dave Pippin. This is another overlook of a model kit by AMT 1 to 5 scale, and this one is 57 Ford hardtop. And this is a very hard model kit to get hold of. You can do it drag as a racing car or a stock, but I'd rather choose stock. I don't like drags, racing cars. So here she is, Ford 1957. You can build it into a drag, as known as a racing car in those days in 1950s, or you can keep it as stock. I like it all stock. So for colour scheme, I chose leaf green and graveyard stone grey. And fit for body and two for chassis. For chassis, two for body frame. It fits perfectly. Did have a few struggle on for dashboard and for doors. For doors are separate fitted on this model kit. Same like my 1956 Ford Victoria hardtop. The last video what I posted on FBTV Entertainment. If you haven't seen that one, then click on my channel and it will be the next one before this video. The front of the car is absolutely wonderful, with a silver bumper. I have to paint it silver because I put one super glue on for chassis, how to glue for chassis into for body work itself, because it's been all cloudy. For chrome on for grille and for indicator yellows, for silver headlights, I done it really good. For hood, this looks wonderful. You don't have to glue it down, or you don't have to take it off. You just got these little two tabs here, two tabs there, and that. There's a engine. I done it dark pale green and light green, and that, and blue exhaust. You can see for bluish colour there, and that. So it's absolutely wonderful. You can leave it like this in your glass cabinet or your shelf for a couple days or couple weeks. Then you can decide to close it. So it's quite nice special effect. This is the left side of the car. As you can see, for white strip there, haven't painted it yet, because I have to put these separate doors fitted in perfectly. The door is glued now. I just have to paint that sometime tonight. For interior, I done it oak and leaf green, as same way as I done with the bodywork, leaf green there, and for oak fabric on the chairs. The dashboard is brown and leaf green, section like a bodywork. The steering wheel is blue, light bluish. There is a lovely shot there. Lovely silver lining on the roof, and nice lovely silver lining across the wind reflectors, and lovely leaf green, light green strip there. There's the back of the car, lovely tail lights, a number plate, the little logo there. A shame it has got no chrome parts to fit on there, because if it did, it would be perfectly. There's a front windshield. You can see the blue steering wheel, a lovely seats in the distance. Absolutely wonderful model car to build and to get in your model collection. And I enjoy building this car. It goes with my Ford Collection 1950s set, and that I know Rival has got one Ford like this, but you can see the pattern. Rival hasn't got that. It's got a little thingy next to the back wheel, but this one is quite different. It's updated or upgraded model car in those days in 1950s, and I shall do another video about that when I get my Ford Collection of 1950s completed. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and do press the like button or write comments down below. Please do, because it will help me out what I should do to make model kit reviews better. So please help me out, guys. And also subscribe to my channel for more future releases. And also, like I said on the last video what I posted on FBTV Entertainment, a Ford Victoria 1956 hardtop. I'll be uploading brand new videos every Friday, so keep a sharp lookout. And like I said, in a couple of weeks time or a couple of days time, I'll be doing reviewing myself to get to know me and my channel, what it is all about. So stay tuned for that, or subscribe to my channel and press that red that little dingy bell. Until then, guys, thank you for watching, and we shall see you in our next video. Take care. See you soon.